How to log into Woolworths Group Employee Portal. Hi everybody, in this tutorial, we're going to see how to easily log into Woolworths Group Employee Portal. First thing first, go ahead and search for that exact same thing on your web browser. You'll find different kind of options. All you have to do is click on the first link that says login Woolworths Career. So here you just need to provide your username that's associated with your account, and then you just need to provide your password. If both of these are correct, you should be able to tap on this login button and then simply log into your account. And then if you have forgotten your password, tap on this forgot password page or the link down below where you're going to have to provide your email address, and they'll send you a reset link on your email. So once that is done, click on continue and you should get an email on your account. That is basically it, guys. That's how you log into the Woolworths Group Employee Portal. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.